we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from whatacountry. Feel free to check them out at whatacountry.youknowwhat. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. Okay, got the tape cut. Let's see. Some manifest here. Get that out of the way. Alright, so quick look here. whatacountry. Alright, and we have a hand checked off list. Alright, so, oh wow, okay. Okay, we got a newspaper wrapped bundle. Like that. We got a lot of packing paper here. I'm just going to start tossing this off to the side here. Cardboard separator. Large wrapping band of this stuff, and one large box. Let's get this out of the way so we can stage this a little better. I think this is how this goes. Alright, I'm going to get this open right now. Cut the paper. That should be alright. Oh, okay. It's like a shopping flyer. Alright, so let's refer to our manifest here. Let's see if I can get this correct here. Alright, looks like first off our Enfield Oiler. Two of these. They're in a separate little bag here. And, yeah. So material-wise, some sort of polymer. You can see the mold marks on there. I don't know if you can see that with the glare. Let's see if I can read off of these. Looks like they say, come on, 2800-5011, and then there's some symbols as well. And this one has the same markings as well. Just open up one of these very carefully, and there's your dab right there. So, set these aside for now. Get this magnifier out of the way. Let's get this paper out of the way. Next up, let's use these in a separate bag. Okay, these are MP Brassard OD Green new. So you can see two of these. They're MP lettering and Velcro attachment points, shoulder, arm wrap. Two of these. So help complete a set of kit. Next up, set these aside. Cobray Loader. So this would be a magazine loader. You can stick a magazine device in through here, and by pressing this down, this would depress the follower, allowing you to insert the round cylindrical objects that will go inside the magazine body itself. Cobray Loader. Next up in another separate bag are M14 Sling, Nylon, and 2 of these. So I'll get a couple of these. And they do have a little bit of they have taken a set from being in storage in this shape for quite some time, I assume. They're a little bit stiff. You can see a little bit of storage marking there from the metal transfer. And these appear new, but they have some age oxidation on there. This is really stiff. Here's your buckle, attachment for the sling point, sling swivel, and yeah, a little bit of oxidation on there. This one's also stiff. It's going to take some encouragement to unroll, so I'll just leave that as is. Alright, so that was M14 Slings. Now this bad boy, how are we going to get this open? And is this facing the correct direction? Let's take a chance. We got some latches here. And we also have, because this appears to be a waterproof case, a pressure equalizer valve. You can see that right there. Looks like 6 latches. 1, 2, oh, Daddy can't, yeah. 3, 4, 5, 6. I can count. Yay, this 6 was. Ooh, wow, these are really stiff. Get that to release. Definitely some storage and not abrasion, but friction marks on the cover. You can see some nice coloration there. Let's flip it over. Foam padding. Very new fit feeling. And what we have here is, well, you guys may be able to recognize that, AN/PVS-2 night vision scope, and then in addition there, mount, plus symbol AR-15/M16 carry handle mount. So, wow, okay. Let's see how it's compartmentalized out. Here's your mount right here, I believe. Not sure how that would fit on. I'm going to have to refer to hopefully some sort of instructions. It looks like we have a AA charger. And then we have notes, tips, battery pack installation. Oh, maybe that's a battery pack. Yeah, that's a battery pack. Okay. Supply battery adapter. Simple design and not of the highest quality. However, when used properly, it does function fine and serves its purpose. And this is specifically from whatacountry. Alright, appreciate that. Thank you. Okay, this does have some heft to it. Wow. Okay, there's your data plate, serial number. You see we got tie downs for the, that's only probably with your battery point, and you can see some markings there as well. Let's speculate on translation. Looks like you can see right through that cover. And here's an eyepiece. And I'm not sure I actually want to unscrew that, even though it has. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I wonder if this is an offset mount
for possibly Galil AK pattern on the side rail. Here's your AR-15 mount right here. So, wow, do I actually got extra stuff? Very nice, thank you. So I'll just give you a look-see on there. I'm going to have to probably research more info on this, possibly even get a manual. But let me set this down because this does have some weight to it. Alright, put you back for now. I may have to adjust that. I think this actually probably goes back here better this way because of the resistance at the top of the cover there. Alright, so let's work our way backwards with today's items. We have an AN PVS-2 night vision scope with the various mounting and battery pack adapter. I guess we found out. 2 of the M14 Slings, Cobray Loader, MP Brassards, and we started off with a couple of Enfield Oilers. So these all came from whatacountry. You know what? Feel free to check them out. They got a large variety of items. There's been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on specific milsurp, vintage, tools, and other expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, as well as a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.